Hi guys, I have a bit of cough. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the girl igboticnono. Yes, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Just click on the subscription button there and subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. I post video 4 times to 5 times in a week. Yes, post video 4 times to 5 times in a week. So if you want to learn Igbo language, this is sure the place you need. And also on this channel, I'm bringing other things in between from the time to time, just to make this channel a little bit fun, because all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So guys, in today's video we're going to be learning how to ask about family and work. Yes, we're going to be learning how to ask about family and work. And I promise you, after today's lesson, you will 100% know how to ask about family and friends. I said it. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. You say, Kedu maka ndi begi? Please repeat after me. Kedu maka ndi begi? Kedu maka ndi begi? Kedu maka ndi begi? Kedu maka ndi begi? Watch my lips. Kedu maka ndi begi? Kedu maka ndi begi? Say as I say. Repeat after me. Synchronize with my, this that way you synchronize with TikTok video. When they are talking, you're dancing, you're repeating what they are saying word for word. It has come. Kedu maka ndi begi? Kedu maka ndi begi? Now you're asking about the family. Remember, today's video is to learn how to ask about family and work. Kedu maka ndi begi is how is your family? How is your family? Kedu maka ndi begi? Kedu maka nneka? Kedu maka nneka? Basically means how is nneka? Kedu maka ndi begi? Your reply is ha dị mma. Ha dị mma. Ha is general. Ha is general. Plural. Ha. Ha dị mma. Ha dị mma. Ha dị mma. Ha dị mma. They are fine. Kedu maka nneka? Kedu maka nneka? Kedu maka nneka? Now it's one person you're asking about. Kedu maka nneka? You say all dị mma. You see, all dị mma. We did not say again ha dị mma. That's why I said ha is plural. Ha, you're referring to, can be 3 people, it can be 2 people, it can be 5 people. Ha. Ha dị mma. But now we're talking about one person. Kedu maka nneka? We're talking about one thing, one person. You now say all dị mma. You see, all dị mma is when you're talking about yourself or another person but one. When you're talking about ha, it means you're referring to a group number of people. They can be 2, they can be 3, they can be 4. You refer to them as ha. Am I making sense? Kedu maka ndi begi? How is family? Kedu maka nneka? How is nneka? The reply, the 2 differences between the 2 replies, kedu maka ndi begi refers to 1 or 2 persons. It can be your husband, your wife, and children. The reply is ha dị mma. But when you're talking about only one person, kedu maka nneka ọ dị mma? Yes. So now you know how to ask about family, which is kedu maka ndi begi, and you know how to ask about one person, kedu maka Nneka, kedu maka Henry, kedu maka Nkechi, kedu maka Choma, kedu maka gị. Ọ dị mma. So we go further. Another thing is, now the sentence looks long. There's another way we used to say it, but in a shorter way. When I say kedu maka ndị be gị, if I don't want to speak that long sentence, I can say ndị be gị kwanu. Ndị be gị kwanu. If I don't want to say kedu maka ndị be gị, maybe the sentence is long, right? I can say ndị be gị kwanu. It also means how is your family. Ndị be gị kwanu. Ha dị mma. Nneka kwanu. How is Nneka? Now we have shortened it. Nneka kwanu. Ọ dị mma. So if you feel the other sentence is long for you, you can use this shorter sentence. But it's good to learn the both. Kedu maka ndị be gị, you can say ndị be gị kwanu. Kedu maka Nneka, you can say Nneka kwanu. Ọ dị mma. Ha dị mma. It's very simple. Can you try to repeat what I just said now? Just try to repeat what I just said now. When you're saying, how is family? How is your family? Just repeat it. Try. How is your family? Try. I trust you. I believe in you. I trust you. Try. How is your family? Kedu maka ndị be gị, or you say ndị be gị kwanu. Let's go further. And it comes to work. You want to ask somebody, how is work? How is work? How is today's work? How is work? Say kedu maka ọlụ. Kedu maka ọlụ. You're referring to a singular thing. Remember I said you're referring to a singular thing. This is somebody's personal work. You're telling to the person kedu maka ọlụ. And the person will tell you ọ dị mma. Ọ dị mma means work is fine. Ọlụ dị mma. Ọ dị mma. You can also say ọlụ kwanu. And the person will still say ọ dị mma. Ọlụ kwanu. Ọ dị mma. Kedu maka ọlụ. How is work? Ọ dị mma. It's fine. Ọlụ dị mma. Work is fine. We can say ọlụ kwanu. Ọ dị mma. It's fine. And the children, we say ụmụaka kwanu. Kedu maka ụmụaka gị? Kedu maka ụmụaka? How are the children? How are the children? Now you're asking, now it's plural again. You say ha dị mma. Ụmụaka kwanu. Ụmụazị kwanu. Ụmụazị and ụmụaka, they're the same thing in Igbo language. They all means children. Ụmụazị kwanu. Ụmụaka kwanu. You also say ha dị mma. Ụmụnne gị kwanu. How are your siblings? Kedu maka ụmụnne gị? Kedu maka ụmụnne gị? Kedu maka ụmụnne gị? Kedu maka ụmụnne gị? Ha dị mma. Ha dị mma. Kedu maka ụmụnne gị? Ha dị mma. You say ụmụnne gị kwanu. Ha dị mma. Ụmụnne gị kwanu. You say ha dị mma. You can say ha niile dị mma. Means they are all fine. Everybody is fine. Kedu maka ụmụnne gị? How is your sibling? They are all fine. Ha niile dị mma. You now say thank you. Daalụ. Thank you. Daalụ. Thank you. Daalụ. You now say ka ọ dị. Bye bye. 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 Anyị ga-afụ. We'll see later. Anyị ga-afụ. We will see later. So thank you guys for watching to the end of the video. This brings me to the end of this video. Please guys, if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, please try to do so. Please. Subscription is free. Please, as you have clicked into this channel, please please just support me, just support my hard work just by subscribing, just by clicking on the subscription button. Please support this channel. I don't teach only Igbo language here, I teach Igbo language. This channel is Igbo language channel, that is the reason for this channel, but from time to time I bring in other things just to spice up the channel. Please subscribe, share this video as well. Thank you for watching and do have a lovely day. Bye.